I'm Shantae and welcome to my Upwork profile. It's so great to finally meet you. When I start with new clients, I tell them, if people can't remember your brand, they won't choose you. And that's where I come in. I'm a creative freelancer with 6 years of experience in graphic design, social media management, content creation, video editing, and marketing strategy. Over the years, I've worked with a wide range of industries and delivered more than 150 successful projects. I create content that doesn't just look good, it gets noticed. I'm incredibly passionate about what I do, and I genuinely love bringing ideas to life through creative work that makes an impact. If you're looking for a creative partner that cares as much about your brand as you do, I'd love to connect with you, and I'm excited to be a part of your journey.